Hello. In this video, I will show you how to customize the BookingPress booking form and customer panel. Go to the BookingPress Customize Forms page. This is the BookingPress booking form and customer panel customize page. Here, you can customize the booking form and customer panel appearance according to your website theme. First, let's change the fonts for the booking form. Here, you can choose your custom fonts. Here, you can instantly preview the changes you make. Now, change the main colors such as the primary color, form background color, panel background color, and border color. Now, change the form text colors like the title color, subtitle color, and content color. You can also change the price and button text colors. You can also add custom CSS for your booking form. Now, change the form settings. Let's customize the booking form sequence. After that, set the Booking Wizard tab's position. If you have multiple staff members and services, BookingPress also provides a search box feature. Now, configure the service step settings. Let's check the date and time step settings. Here, you can change options like hide booked time slots, hide time slot grouping, hide capacity information, and time slot styling. Now, open the staff member step settings. Here, you can configure staff member visibility and information settings. After that, you can configure the booking redirection options. BookingPress provides two types of booking redirection: inbuilt and external page. BookingPress also allows you to change and customize booking form labels based on your requirements. After that, click the Save Changes button to save your customization. Changes saved successfully. Now, go to the front-end booking page. See, your booking form is now fully customized with colors, fonts, and labels. BookingPress also provides a Reset Settings feature. Now, go to the back-end side. Click the Reset icon next to the Custom CSS button. See, all your custom changes have been removed. Now, click the Save Changes button again. Now, go to the front end and reload the page. See, the default booking form is now displayed. Now, let's customize the customer panel. Open the Customer Panel tab. This is the BookingPress Customer Panel customization page. Apply the color changes in the same way we customize them in the booking form. You can also add custom CSS for your customer panel. Now, configure the content settings according to your requirements. BookingPress provides multiple customization options. This is the Customer Delete Account Content section. Here, you can also change the customer panel labels. Now, click the Save Changes button to save your customer panel customization. Changes have been saved successfully. Now, go to the front-end Customer Panel page. See, your My Bookings customer panel is now customized. BookingPress also includes a reset option for the customer panel. Now go to the back-end side. See, the customization has been reset. Now, save the changes again and go back to the front end. Reload the page. See, this is the default customer panel and My Bookings page.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.